Good morning, students. In the last class we have learned that the meaning of numbers having index in the rational form. Now today we are going to study how to find out cube and cube roots. But before that, students, do you know what is meant by square numbers? Let's recall. A number which multiply 2 times the product obtained, that product is called as square number. Now look at here. Here 4 is multiplied twice. Twice means 2 times. We got the answer 16. So 16 is a product of these two numbers. So this 16 is called as square of the 4. So how we will write with the help of index? Square of 4 or 4 raised to 2 is equal to 16. You also knew that square of negative number, negative 4, that means square of minus 4 is also 16. Therefore, square root of 16 is equal to 4 or minus 4. So now keep in mind, every positive number has 2 square roots. Every positive number has 2 square roots. Second, square root of 0 is 0. Square root of 0 is 0. Now let's see cube and cube root. If a number is written 3 times and multiplied, then the product is called the cube of that number. Let's see with the help of example. Example 1. Cube of 17. When you multiply 17 multiply 17 multiply 17. When you multiply 17 twice, you will get answer 289. Multiply 17, you will get answer 4913. Second one, cube of minus 6. In an index form, we can write as minus 6 raised to 3. In a product form, minus 6 multiply by minus 6 multiply by minus 6. Now students, do you knew that square of negative number becomes positive? Hence 6 are 36 and minus become plus. So here we got 36 multiplied by minus 16. Now 36 are 216 and this minus sign remains as it is. Or keep in mind, cube of negative number is always negative. Okay students? Example 3. Cube of 2 upon 5. In an index form, we can write as 2 upon 5 raised to 3. In a product form, 2 upon 5 multiply by 2 upon 5 multiply by 2 upon 5. Okay. Now here in a fraction form, we have to multiply numerators together and denominators together. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Hence we got in a numerator 8. Now see the denominator. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So hence we got cube of 2 upon 5 is 8 upon 125. Okay. Next, fourth one. Cube of 1.2. In an index form, we can write as 1.2 raised to 3. In a product form, we can write as 1.2 multiply by 1.2 multiply by 1.2. So, when you multiply 1.2 into 1.2, you will get answer 1.44. I did not mention here. I directly multiplied all the 3 numbers together and I have written the answer here 1.728. Now students, many of you have doubts to put the decimal point. Now look at here. Here in a question, decimal point is after 1 digit. So when we are making the cube, you have to multiply that after one digit it is. So 1 multiply 3, you will get answer 3. Hence here in the answer we put the decimal point after 3 digit from the unit place. Got it? Next one, fifth one. Cube of 0.02, that is, now students, cube of 2, first in an index form we can write as 0.02 raised to 3. In a product form, 0.02 multiply by 0.02 multiply by 0.02. Now cube of 2 is 8. Now what about these zeros? Now students, keep in mind, see here in a question, decimal point is after 2 digits. So what you will do? After 2 digits, so 2 multiply 3, 6. So that means in the answer, we have to put the decimal point after 6 digits. Okay. Now 2 cube of 2 you got 8. Now what about the remaining? Remaining we have to put 0. So we put here after 6 digit we have to put the decimal point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 8 is already there. So we put the 5 zeros. We put the decimal point and then 1 0. Because we are always putting before decimal point 0. If the any number is not there. So now you understand how to put the decimal point. Once again I am repeating. Whenever you have to put the decimal point for when you are making the cube, see that in a question, it decimal point after how many digits? Here it is after 2 digits. So 2 3s are 6. Hence in the answer, we put the decimal point after 6 digits. Okay. Note, the cube of a positive number is positive. The cube of negative number is negative. The number of decimal place in the cube of the number, as I mentioned here, same we will see here in a statement form. The number of decimal place in the cube of the number is equal to 3 multiply the decimal places in the number. Okay.